Hello everyone, welcome to Jaladhi Soft Technology YouTube channel. Today we can discuss converting milliseconds to seconds and minutes. How to convert milliseconds to seconds and minutes. This is a program in Java language. First, we can create as usual, we can create the class millisecond to seconds and minutes. I will write main method. I will write two operations. One is time unit class is there. In that class, methods is 2 seconds, 2 minutes. We can use that method and we can display. That means we can convert. And another way is a normal approach, calculation approach. I will tell both. First, I will tell default methods is there in time unit. That means first I will declare the milliseconds. Milliseconds is equal to 1. I will declare like this. 10 lakhs milliseconds. I will declare 10 lakhs milliseconds. Long or seconds. Need to convert seconds equal to time unit. One is a time unit. This is the default method. Here milliseconds is there. Milliseconds dot 2 seconds. Here we need to write millisecond. I will display here only. You can display here only second value, seconds. Yes, value. First you can display this one. Then see, this is converted milliseconds to seconds. Now we can check another one. That means minutes. We need to convert into minutes. Long minutes is equal to similarly time unit dot millisecond dot 2 minutes. Here ms need to, then we can display this one. This one also can display minutes. You can display minutes. Yeah. Now you can display both. You're displaying currently about 16 minutes. 1000 milliseconds. Then we can, this is a one approach. Another approach is, this is a normal calculation approach. I will tell this one long second SS, I will put SS. This one is millisecond divided by 1000. We need to divide it by 1000. Now I will display the output for this one. Seconds in normal approach. Normal. PROACH normal approach. Okay, otherwise I will write like this seconds. SS. I will write another way. Long minutes equal to first brackets. First we need to convert to milliseconds to seconds. Then we need to convert into the seconds. The minutes. Then you can convert into the minutes. Minutes. TUS minutes. MM. Now here normal calculation approach. Calculation approach. This is default approach, default method approach. DFAULT default method approach, default method approach. You can easily understand from this one. Here I will write one 6 for next line purpose. Right next line purpose. And right click this one. This way we are converting milliseconds to seconds and minutes. Hmm. This is the normal approach. Normally we are calculating this approach. This is default method is the time unit. Inside the time unit milliseconds. Uh, my option is there. You can use this one. You can implement milliseconds to seconds and milliseconds to minutes. This is the way we need to convert milliseconds to seconds and minutes. I am requesting, could you please subscribe my channel and support me? If you need more information, could you please ping in the below comment box? I will help you. Thank you for watching Jaladhi Soft Technology YouTube channel. We will meet next video.